Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. K. Ramesh, Professor of Mathematics, Lindy Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vijayanagar. Today's our topic is interpolation, religion topic of the Triple E branch, the subject NMLC, Unit 2, Lecture 5. Already we know to calculate, to find the value of y at the beginning values of x in the table, we use Newton's forward interpolation formula. To find the value of y at the end values of the x in the table, we use Newton's backward interpolation formula. Middle of the x values, how to get y? There is a formula there, central difference formula. Central difference formula, central difference formula. Two types. Number one, Gauss's forward interpolation formula. Second one, Gauss's backward interpolation formula. Now, how to write these two formulae? Observe note 1. In Gauss forward interpolation formula, suffixes are 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. So, power of delta increased by 1. T value less than t less than 1. Positive proper fraction. Positive proper fraction lies between 0 and 1. X lies between a small number and b big number. Consider x naught is equal to a, the above value. Small value means the above value. Note 2. Gauss backward interpolation formula. Suffixes are 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, so on. Power of delta increased by 1. Minus 1 less than t less than 0. Negative proper fraction. P is negative proper fraction. Lies between minus 1 and 0. Whenever t negative number, we use Gauss backward. Whenever t is positive, we use Gauss forward. How to choose x naught? Yes, lies between a small number and b big number. Consider x naught is equal to b below 1. Below. Note down. Gauss forward interpolation formula y of x equal y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y minus 1 plus p plus 1 into p minus 1 by 3 factorial delta cube y minus 1 plus p plus 1 into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 4 factorial delta power 4 y minus 2 plus so on. Here p 0 less than p less than 1, p is equal to x minus x naught by h. Thus backward interpolation formula y of x equal y naught plus p delta y minus 1 plus p plus 1 into p by 2 factorial delta square y minus 1 plus p plus 1 into p minus 1 by 3 factorial delta cube y minus 2 p plus 2 into p plus 1 into p minus 1 by 4 factorial cut for 4 y minus 2 plus so on. Look here. Here, in this case, p decreasing, increasing, decreasing, increasing by 1. First decreasing, p minus 1. Next increasing, p plus 1. Again decreasing, again increasing. Like that. Here p increasing, p increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, like that by 1. That is the main observation. Delta, power of delta increased by 1. Sequence 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 like that. Here sequence 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2. This is the sequence. Okay, not down. So problem 7. Find y of 25 given that y20 is equal to 24, y24 is equal to 32, y28 is equal to 35, y32 is equal to 40. Using Gauss forward difference table, difference formula. Solution. No table is there. First we have to write table. X value, y value. Y suffix 20 means yx. So yx 20, 24, y24, 32, y28, 32, y32, 40. Now you write forward difference table. Same methodology. Delta. In Newton forward difference table, in Gauss forward, in Gauss backward, delta operator is there. Only in Newton's backward, del operator is there. Newton forward, Gauss backward, delta operator. Newton's backward del upright. That is the difference. Look here. So this is your x naught. How to find x naught? Your x is equal to 25. Y of x, y 25. X 45. We have to consider x naught. This 25 lies between 24 and 25. Lies between 24 and 28. So above one is x naught. Small number is x naught. Okay. Now you write corresponding this one is y naught. Above y minus 1, below 1, y1, y2. So this continuation here. Delta y minus 1. Delta y naught. Delta y. Continuation. Delta square y minus 1. Delta square y naught. Continuation. Delta cube y minus 1. So this is the main observation in Gauss problems. In Gauss problems, main observation. Now you write your Gauss forward interpolation formula. 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1 seconds. Don't write after the that power 4, that power 5 columns. Here delta cube is the last one. So up to delta cube you write. Now substituting y 25 is equal to y naught. Y naught is 32 plus p 0.25 put bracket delta y naught 3 plus 0.25 into 0.25 minus 1 by 2 factorial 2 into here delta square y minus 1 minus 5 plus right plus p plus 1 0.25 plus 1 0.25 minus 1 by 3 factorial 6 into here delta cube y minus 1 that is 7. Now you type this one step by step. You calculate first 3 brackets. After getting answer divided by 2, you calculate 4 brackets. After getting answer, type divided by 6. Step by step, we get our answer is not down. Look here, your x lies between 24 and 28. Your answer also lies between 32 and 35. 32.945. That is your observation. Problem 8. Using Gauss backward difference formula, find y of 8 from the following table. Table is given. Now solution is difference table x, y, delta square, delta cube, delta power 4, delta power 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, y values. Differences second minus first, third minus 2, fourth minus third, differences 4, 3, 4, 6, 3. Again differences, minus or minus plus 1, 2, 1, 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus or minus 1, 0. Now what is your x? X is equal to 8. Lies between 5 and 10. Here x naught is below 1. This is backward Gauss model. Forward Gauss forward x naught is 5 above value. Gauss backward below value. So x naught is corresponding total value is y naught. So this is y minus 1, y minus 2, y1, y2, y3. Here delta y minus 2. This continues. Delta y minus 1, delta y naught. Here 1, 2 suffix. Delta y1, 0, delta square y minus 2, delta square y minus 1, delta square y naught, delta square y1, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1, delta cube y minus 2, delta cube y minus 1, delta cube y naught, delta power 4 y minus 2, delta power 4 y minus 1, delta power 5 y minus 2. This is the way of identifying the values. Now your x naught is 10. H is 5 minus 0, 5. P is x minus x naught by h, 8 minus 10 by 5, minus 2 by 5, so minus 0.4. So minus 1 less than p less than 0, negative, minus 0.4. Note down. So using Gauss backward difference formula, you write according to methodology, you write your y of x is equal to 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 sequences, and delta increased by 1, p increase, decrease. That is the methodology. You write those values and substituting values, simplifying step by step. You type all the brackets. After getting answer divided by 2. After getting answer divided by 6. After getting answer divided by 2. That is the way of doing the calculations. We get simplifying 1.702. Note down. Problem 9. Find f of 2.336 from the following table. Here, which methodology is not given. Here, x, y, solution, difference table, x, y, delta square, delta q, delta power 4, delta power 5. These are x values, y values, differences. Second minus 1, third minus 2, fourth minus 3, like that, differences. Okay. What is your, we have to find f of 2.36. So f is 2.36. Lies between 2.2 2.4. Now we have to use Gauss forward or Gauss backward. Back side is there. And it's better to use Gauss backward interpolation formula. So this is your x naught. This is y naught. Increasing. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Increasing, decreasing here. Decreasing 1, increasing 1. This continuation. Delta y minus 4. Delta square y minus 4. Continuation. Delta cube y minus 4. Delta power 4 y minus 4. Delta power 5 y minus 4. So h is equal to 1.8 minus 1.68. equal to us. Point 2. P is equal to x minus x naught by h. We get minus 0.2. Note down. This value is 0.1. Point this is 0.1. Note down this is 0.1. Okay, using Gauss backward difference formula, y of x equal to f of x equal to y naught plus p into delta y minus 1. Increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. So p plus 1 into p by 2 factorial delta square y minus 1. P plus 1 into p into p minus 1 by 3 factorial delta cube y minus 2. Look here. Here delta power of 4 y minus 2. There is no delta power of 4 y minus 2. So you need to write this term. No value. So up to this term only you write and substituting values and simplifying we get 10.592. Note down. Problem 10. Find f of 2.5 using the following table by Gauss difference formula. We don't know Gauss forward backward. Okay, table is given, difference table. Okay, your x is 2.5, lies between 2 and 3. So use calculate forward. This is your x naught. Backward. This is your x naught. Do you calculate? Suppose we have to use forward. So this is x naught, this is y naught, y minus 1, y1, y2, delta y minus 1. This is the way. Delta minus delta y minus 1, delta square y minus 1, delta cube y minus 1. We get x equal to 2.5, x naught at 2, h equal to minus 1, 1, p equal to x minus x naught by h 0.5. So using Gauss forward interpolation formula, you write into formula after delta cube y minus 1 only. Last term is delta cube y minus 1. So you need not write other terms. Substituting, simplifying step by step, we get 15.625. Here, observing 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. Your y of 2.5 lies between 8 and 27. That is the main observation. Okay. Thank you very much.